Hello everyone! Welcome back to Travel Vet. If you're preparing for your very first trip to the airport in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing essential tips on researching your airport, packing smart, navigating security, and making the most of your time before boarding. These tips will help ensure your airport experience is smooth and stress-free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips. Now, let's dive in. Before you even pack your bags, take a moment to learn about the airport you'll be visiting. Each airport has its own unique layout, security procedures, and amenities that can significantly affect your experience. Start by visiting the airport's official website, where you can find helpful resources including terminal maps, detailed information about check-in procedures, and any current updates regarding COVID-19 protocols or travel restrictions. Make sure to look into parking options, public transportation access, and dining choices available at the airport. Having this knowledge ahead of time can save you a lot of hassle and confusion once you arrive. Now, let's move on to packing. It's crucial to gather all your travel documents ahead of time. Make sure you have your ID, boarding pass, and any required health documents all in one easily accessible place. This will help you breeze through check-in and security. When it comes to your carry-on, think strategically. Pack snacks to keep your energy up, a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated, and some entertainment like a book or your favorite playlist to keep you occupied during any waiting periods. Also, keep in mind that by 2025, most airports will have charging stations available, so don't forget to bring your chargers along. When planning your trip, consider the timing of your arrival at the airport. For domestic flights, it's recommended to arrive at least 2 hours early, while for international flights, aim for at least 3 hours. This additional time will not only allow you to navigate check-in and security, but also give you a buffer for any unexpected delays. If you're traveling during busy periods like holidays or weekends, you might want to consider arriving even earlier to avoid the crowds. As you approach the security checkpoint, preparation is key. Opt for shoes that are easy to take off, and ensure that your electronics and liquids are packed in a spot that's easy to access. While many airports in 2025 may employ advanced screening technology, being ready for the process is still a smart move. Remember, liquids must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, all fitting into a quart-sized bag. If you're ever unsure about what you can bring, the TSA website is a great resource for the latest guidelines. Once you've cleared security, it's time to find your gate. Keep an eye out for signs directing you to your destination, and don't hesitate to ask airport staff for assistance if needed. Many airports will have mobile apps in 2025 that provide real-time updates on flight status and gate changes, so I highly recommend downloading your airport's app before your trip. Now that you've made it to your gate, take a moment to unwind, explore the shops, grab a bite to eat, or simply enjoy some downtime. Airports are evolving into mini-cities, complete with plenty of amenities to keep you entertained. If you find yourself facing a long layover, consider checking out any lounges available. They often offer a quieter atmosphere and additional comforts. When it's finally time to board, pay close attention to announcements and follow the specified boarding procedures. Typically, boarding is done in groups, so ensure you're in the correct line. Have your boarding pass and ID ready for inspection. Once you board the plane, locate your seat, stow your carry-on luggage, and prepare for takeoff. And there you have it. Those are my top tips for a successful first-time airport experience in 2025. Remember, a bit of preparation can go a long way in making your travel journey enjoyable and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Vet for more travel tips and advice. Have you traveled through an airport recently? I'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you may have in the comments below. Safe travels, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.